Welcome to ABM Technical Service, your trusted partner in complete renovation solutions. Are you planning to transform your home, office, or commercial space into something modern, stylish, and functional? We've got you covered, from flooring, painting, and carpentry to plumbing, electrical, and ceiling works. Our expert team handles every detail with precision. We specialize in kitchen and bathroom renovations, full apartment makeovers, and office upgrades, ensuring a fresh new look that perfectly matches your vision. At ABM Technical Service, we believe in high-quality workmanship, on-time project delivery, and budget-friendly solutions. Our goal is to bring your dream space to life with professional care and reliable service. So, whether it's a single-room upgrade or a complete property renovation, trust ABM Technical Service to get the job done right. Visit our office or website